मैडम फर्स्ट टाइम मेहनत कर रहा है. कैसा लग रहा है मैडम? So they didn't mention anything about one specific gate, just terminal 2. But we have to go and do the web check-in from there. So we have finally arrived in the airport. As you can see, guys, this is my first impressions about the Delhi airport. Obviously this is not the only terminal, there are other terminals as well, and we have a lot of time, so we are going to show you the entire airport. Guys, you can see that literally there is no seating area all over the place. They have removed all the seats and people are literally sleeping on the ground itself. And the seating area which is there, whatever seating area is there, one person is sitting and then there's one gap and then the next person. And she's also tensed, so let's see what happens. Guys, our flight, which you can see, it's showing up. The flight number is G8101 and they are showing it as not operating. If I study the Hindi part, it's prayog mein nahi hai. So you can see not operating. I don't know what that means, whether the flight is cancelled or not, but we'll have to check that out. And she is quite tensed with this. Let's go. And there is charging port everywhere in the airport. So, madam, now are you still tensed?
जब तक मैं घर नहीं पहुंच रही हूँ ना, तब तक मैं टेंस ही रहूँगी. मतलब मैं शिलोंग की
हाई बोल दे.
हाई नहीं बोल रहे मुझे. शिलोंग की कार में मैं बैठूंगी, फिर जाके आवाज़ से हाय.
सोच रहा हूँ एक चिकन टिक्का रैप, चिकन टिक्का सैंडविच खाइए और एक हॉट चॉकलेट. ठीक है. By the way, just ordered some food. Well, the trend continues, guys. All of the Coke products, whether it's Coke or Fanta, all of them are above 100 rupees regardless of their price, and retail price is about 40 rupees, and it's same all over India basically. And yeah, so I thought let's just have one coffee and two chicken tikka wrap, and that's costing somewhere around 400 rupees. Can you believe this? So it's always recommended to have your food before coming into the airport. Pakad to. And by the way, guys, this is how it looks. It's really plain and simple, but really tasty. Dry waste. This is the dry waste. Money exchange. Current situation update, guys. Our flight has been cancelled and it has been delayed for about 7 hours. So it was initially scheduled to be taking off. We were scheduled to be boarding the flight at 5:30 a.m. but now it has been cancelled, and the next flight which we are getting for the replacement is starting at 12:30 p.m. so I don't know what to do. And they have also mentioned that we need to get a COVID-19 test, but not to worry, they said that it can be done in the airport itself. So let's see what's the procedure, and I'll be informing you about it, how to go about the procedure and what are the costs involved, if there is any. चल कोविड टेस्ट करा लेते हैं.
चल जिज्ञेस करो ভালো আমি আর পাচ্ছি না.
So our ticket, our boarding pass have been achieved after a long time, and we actually did not require a corona test in Assam, guys. We don't need a corona test, by the way. And yeah, just extremely tired and sleepy. We are just going through the security right now, and after that we're just going to take some rest and tell you about the entire thing and the entire problem if something comes along the security. The security is the main hurdle. That's all. These articles are not allowed. They are kept for demo purpose. So we have just made it through the security, and basically it was in simple words, if I can describe the security check-in, it was basically a harassment. I had to take out the coin box, I had to take out all of my belt and unnecessary stuff which I didn't expect, and now everyone is staring at me because I have this camera, and you know how the life of a vlogger is. Anyways, I'll be showing you the situation around here, and also we'll be doing some shopping and passing our time. Okay, पर यहाँ पर ट्रॉली बैग काफ़ी कॉस्टली होगा. Well, and I guess this is the food area, food sections, and there's also a pharmacy over there. And some This shop looks like something new, Gujarati shop. भैया एक बटर मसाला डोसा दे दीजिए. Just bought one dosa worth 300 rupees. What to do? I'm really hungry. I need to eat. Good morning. How was your sleep?
मतलब मैंने सोया ही नहीं यार. ऐसे मेरे आँख लग गया, फिर मैं ऐसे जाके
कैमरा के ऊपर सो गया.
नहीं कैमरा एक साइड में था, मैं ऐसे सो रही थी, बहुत जोर का लगा मुझे यहाँ पे.
जा ब्रश करके आ जा.
अभी कौन ब्रश करेगा?
And my extension cord is coming up to be useful to everyone using it. And as morning approaches, it's currently 7 or 8 p.m. Sorry, 8 a.m. in the morning, and you can understand that it's getting a bit crowded over here in the airport, and the risk is also increasing. Well, by the way, guys, I just woke up. I don't know, but somehow I managed to sleep in this chair itself, which you can see. And after waking up, I went to the bathroom, and I was not feeling well at all. But after I brushed my teeth, I just felt so fresh, guys. So I mean, brushing your teeth always helps. So जहाँ जाके brush कर ले, अच्छा लगेगा. And you won't believe what helped me yesterday to fall asleep. और तू भी तो बहुत यूज़ किया इसको. Luxury pillow. Luxury pillow. Yes. हाँ. और पर वहाँ पर ज़्यादा कॉस्टली है. वो ज़्यादा कॉस्टली है पर लग्जरी सेम है. समझा. And someone has slept once again, as you can see. I know she is extremely tired because she didn't get any rest in this airport. Just kept the laptop on, checking the market, and we're also having some food from Subway because the food over here is comparatively cheaper than others. Okay guys, almost time for our flight, and we are having Subway sandwich over here, and this is the only thing which actually comes in our budget.
Subway का खाना भी बहुत टेस्टी
है. So the flight will be starting within 15 minutes, so I'll meet you in the boarding period.
I want you to come over. I wish that you would come and give me something to prove. Won't you pull me closer? I think that I'm obsessed with everything that you do. I'm waiting, trying to be patient. You look like a painting. It's so frustrating.
Well, finally in the transit. To be honest, guys, we didn't require any COVID test and didn't have any problem so far. And yeah, everything is going smooth till now. and it's pretty hot over here, guys. And this is the runway, by the way. It's quite big. I thought that the Delhi airport is not so big, but we didn't get any chance to roam about, and I also did not get any confidence to roam about because of the corona. So let's see what happens, and let me see how much we can explore this thing. कैसा लग रहा है मेरा फर्स्ट टाइम?
अच्छा लग रहा है, ठीक है मतलब
निकाल अंदर की ओर निकल जाएगा, उसके साथ लगे फ्लाइट में हवा बढ़ जाएगी। निकाल तो विमान के बाहर सामने की ओर भेजें।
And we are ready for the
by pulling the strap. To release, lift the flap and pull the ends apart.
कैसा लग रहा है? डर लग रहा है?
फर्स्ट टाइम थोड़ा डर लग रहा है, अभी ठीक है।
Anyways, guys, we have just arrived. I did not require any stupid test, but now I think they will be conducting the rapid test, which is the rapid test, and then we are just going to hop on a shuttle for Shillong, hopping on a shuttle for Shillong, and hopefully everything will be fine. But I'll keep you updated, okay? Grant Artist Foreign for general observation of Assam. So as you see, guys, people who are not from Shillong, as I was saying, people who are not from Shillong, they actually require a rat test, but since I'm from Shillong, I won't require a test. So I think you will require a rat test. Anyways, guys, we got lucky. Even though she is not from Shillong, she was allowed to go without the test, and me too. So I also didn't require to do the test according to them. So now we're gonna take a cab and rush to Shillong because it's getting late, and I'm going to continue the vlog whether is there any problem in our journey reaching Shillong or not. I'm going to narrate that too, and also we're going to enjoy the view obviously of Shillong. Okay, so let's go. Ja. So this is the car which we got.
है 2500 ही
It's
बोला
a Suzuki, Maruti Suzuki itself, and well, I don't think they'll be turning on the AC. They have all of the excuses to not turn on the AC.
कोথায় check
Anyways, guys, right now currently we didn't have to go through any test, but yeah, I did wanted to get my test done, but they are saying that there's a huge line over there, and plus we'll have to test one more time in Shillong, so it's not making any sense to test over here because what's the use of testing twice? All right, and anyways, if you are positive, then we'll have to quarantine inside Shillong itself. So anyways, I'll let you know. By the way, the car is nice. Do you like the car?
Yeah, I like the car.
Okay, and now are you stress free?
Yeah, now I am stress free. मतलब क्या है ना कि वहाँ पे जब बोला कि आई कार्ड चेक करना है तो I was like
तब मेरा भी फट गया।
ये लोग भी
तो
कमीशन
2500 उन लोग को देना है,
नहीं हमको देना है।
आपको देना है ना। वो क्यों बोल रहा है? तो
और उसको कमीशन भी देना पड़ता है ना हम लोग का।
अच्छा, वो तो हमेशा ही था भाई।
हाँ।
2 से ज्यादा आप खुद बोल रहे
नहीं कोई बात नहीं है। ये इसमें 4 दिन का अलावा है। आपको बता रहे हैं ना, वो जिस का फ्लाइट बाई चांस मिस होगा ना, उनको ले जाना पड़ेगा उनको दिया। एक जन वो दिन कसम खान देखने को बुलाया, कोई बात नहीं है।
I see future shining bright. I feel alive, but just don't wait.
अभी तो फिलहाल करेगा, ये तो पक्का है।
रैपिड टेस्ट ना,
हाँ
रैट।
रैप नहीं, मतलब वो जो कोविड का लिए ना।
हाँ आपकी है,
नहीं हम तो इंजेक्शन ले चुके ना।
आप इंजेक्शन ले चुके पर फिर भी तो करना चाहिए ना,
नहीं क्यों?
क्योंकि इंजेक्शन लेने के बाद भी बहुत लोग का हो रहा है।
नहीं करने का अलावा
हाँ इंजेक्शन लेने के बाद भी बहुत लोगों का हो रहा है। आप न्यूज़ देखो एक बार, बहुत लोगों का हो रहा है।
पहले क्या है, पिछले महीने में ना जब आए थे बॉडी में,
तो इसलिए मैं बोल रहा हूँ कि आप देखो इतना ट्रैवल करते हो एंड आने के बाद ही थोड़ा बारिश। हाउ आर यू फीलिंग?
ये चीज़ तो मुझे अच्छा लगता है गुवाहाटी और शिलोंग का।
And the weather is a bit cloudy as you can see guys. The rain is starting to pour in.